What if I told you that the future of your business lies in the cloud? In today's video, we're diving into the transformative power of cloud computing and big data. Get ready to unlock insights that could catapult your business to success. The advent of big data has changed the landscape of business intelligence forever. With the vast amounts of data generated every second, understanding how to harness this information is crucial for any organization aiming for success. Did you know that over 2.5 quintillion bytes of data are created every day? That's like having a mountain of information growing larger every second. But how do you turn this data into actionable insights? This is where real-time dashboards come into play. Imagine having all your key business metrics at your fingertips, updated in real time. This allows for quicker decision-making and enhances your overall business agility. A key benefit of these dashboards is their ability to visualize complex data in a way that's easy to understand. You can instantly see trends, spot anomalies, and even forecast future performance all at a glance. Now, here's a thought: what if you could predict market trends before they happen? That's the true power of predictive analytics. By analyzing historical data, businesses can anticipate future outcomes and make proactive decisions. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Your support helps us create more valuable content just for you. Let's dive deeper. Predictive analytics isn't just about looking backwards, it's about paving the way forward. Companies are using these techniques to optimize everything from inventory management to customer relationship strategies. What could your business achieve? Now, let's talk about data visualization. A picture is worth 1,000 words, right? Well, in the world of data, great visualization can be worth millions. Good visual representation can make the difference between a missed opportunity and a breakthrough. Surprise! Did you know that effective data visualization can increase retention rates by 65%? That's because people process visuals 60,000 times faster than text. It's all about making your data accessible and understandable. With emerging tools and technologies focused on cloud and big data, mastering these skills is essential. Companies that adopt these strategies are not only surviving but thriving in this ever-competitive landscape. As we wrap up today's insights, remember, the real challenge isn't collecting data, it's making sense of it. The integration of cloud solutions and big data analytics is key to unlocking your business's potential. So, what's next in this data revolution? Stay tuned for our next video where we'll explore the latest trends in AI and machine learning and how they relate to big data. Don't miss out on the future. If you found value in today's video, make sure to subscribe for more in-depth analyses and insights into cloud computing and big data. Your business transformation is just a click away.